The main component of magnesia is magnesium oxide, which is calcined by magnesium hydroxide at high temperature and has strong hydration resistance. Are you curious about how the magnesia ball press works? Magnesia ball press production, line shooting site, together to see. First, clean up the debris of the magnesia ball press before the boot. Fix bolts. Check whether the machine bolts loose off. Remove the load is allowed to start the magnesia ball press machine. 2. Magnesia ball press test machine. First of all, the motor is pulsed by the point motion method. If there is no other noise, it can be started when the operation is normal. 3. To the magnesia ball press feeding machine should ensure that the electric feeder uniform feeding and according to the warehouse pressure situation will be adjusted to the best effect of the electric feeder. 4. After the end of each shift, should be the magnesia ball press silo material all used up. Shall not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop, and drive the opposite order.